Hello fellow Bethanians, my name is Scott Brooks. I'm from the class of 1978. I'm here at my happy place, the Colorado River on the California-Arizona border, and I have this place, I truly believe, because of my education that I received from Bethany College. And I'm pretty sure that many of you have places like this and be able to go other places, and that's due to the education you received from Bethany. So I'm talking to you today about the fundraiser that Bethany College is doing right now for a new athletic field that will benefit all of the athletic teams, and they need $500,000. Now in that regard, my fraternity, Beta Theta Pi, has agreed to donate up to $250,000 towards that goal. Now what that means is they're going to match up to $250 for every dollar that is donated. So if you donate $1, it turns into $2. If you donate $100, it turns into $200. If you donate $1,000, it turns into $2,000. So I'm here today to say that I've made a donation, and I'm hoping that I can encourage each of you to make a donation. Bethany needs our help, you've probably heard, and athletics, as we all know, is a big driver of success. With the competition that's out there for small schools, etc., it's important that we do our best to help Bethany survive, and I truly believe that this turf will do a lot for it. So in that regard, I'm asking each of you, if we get $250,000 in donations, then Beta will match that $250,000 and we have our $500,000 goal. Do your best. I believe that each of you can donate something, and I hope you do. Thank you for your time. Be well, take care, and be safe.